Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to move multiple pages at once in a PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file and click this home option and select here page thumbnail option and put your mouse cursor and increase this page thumbnail area and see this are showing many pages. Now drag your mouse, you can select multiple pages and move it as first page. Also select these two pages as first page and see this. Also select page organize option. Here you will find this move pages option. I'll move last two pages 5 and 6, 5 and 6 and put comma here. Now select here page first page on and after, so before select here and also these two pages will move as first page and see this first page. Also I will move page number 3 and 4 and put comma. I will put this two as page number 5 after page number 5 and select here after. So select page number 6 and so will select a double comma, remove one of this and so will select OK and see this, move this. Also you can move this page as first page, selected as first page and before and so will select OK. Also you can move this page as last page after, see this. Yeah, in this way you can move multiple pages at once. And finally select file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.